Hi, my name is Diana, and today we will speak about adding and managing company users. To start using EstVis features at your body shop, firstly, you have to configure your company stuff. I mean users with corresponding roles such as managers, estimators, bodytechs, painters, and so on. In this video, I'll show you how to do that easily. After signing up EstVis on website, you'll receive two emails. Step 1 and Step 2. In the first one, you can find your manager credentials. Normally, login is your email address. Open browser and go to estvis.com. Click Login button at top right. Type in your manager credentials and press Enter. So now you are in EstVis General Settings. If you have more than one shops connected to the account, make sure the corresponding company is chosen at top left bar. Then click User Management. Here you see the body shop current users list. The table contains their logins, names, phone numbers and emails if applicable, and roles. Okay, let's create a user. Click Create New User button. Fill in a new login, a password, and then staff's full name. Note that login must be unique not for your shop but for the whole EstVis, and don't forget to type the password twice. You can also fill in phone number and email, optional. As well, set the default insurance for cases will be created by the user. Then set a role for the user. You can assign multiple roles for the user. Choose the first one, then click plus button below and choose another one. The last option, called Mobile Client Access Level, means you can allow to have an access to EstVis for the user from both local and external networks. Restrict an access allowing to have it only from local network, or forbid an access for the user at all. When all the data filled in, click Save, then New User is created. Repeat the actions to create as much users as you need and as your subscription plan allows. If you have more than one body shops connected to your account, you can add existing users from your one shop to another. To do that, click Add Registered User button and then choose the user you need from the list of all of your shop's users, clicking plus button. Now let's overview user editing function. Click on Edit button in the user's row. Here you can edit user's name, phone number, email, default insurance company, role or roles, and access level. Additionally, you can set employee rate. This is needed for automatical payroll calculating. Employee extension, needed if you're gonna integrate EstVis with the Starix. And employee camera link, if you're gonna set up IP cameras to monitor staff's workplace. If you don't want this user to be shown in employees list in workflow interface, just put a tick in a not employee box. If the user forgot, and then, of course, just click Save. If the user forgot his password or you just want it to be changed, you can reset the password for the user. Click Reset Password button. In this case, you will have to create and confirm a new password. Always don't forget to click Save. The third button in a user's row that is red is for deleting the user. The system will ask for your confirmation, and then this action will be permanent. To view all users which were deleted before, click Show Deleted button. To return to active users list, click Show Active button. And that's all for the topic. If you have some additional questions, feel free to email us to support@estvis.com. Thank you!